So hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making garlic butter chicken. Your ingredient is chicken thigh. This is about like 10 or thereabout medium-sized chicken thigh. I will be using a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have my butter. I will be using half of this, which will give me like 4 ounces of butter, a medium-sized onion, some mixed pepper, half a cup of mayonnaise, about a cup of heavy cream, seasoning for my chicken thigh. I'm going to season it with my steak seasoning, adobo seasoning, black pepper, salt, and I think I should use also a little cayenne pepper. Oh, let me see. I think I should use crushed pepper. All right. And a little cheese. The first step is to season the chicken thigh. So I will start with my steak seasoning. I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of steak seasoning. About the same amount of adobo, tablespoon. About a teaspoon of black pepper. My crushed pepper. If you don't like it too spicy or you don't like it spicy, please omit the crushed pepper. And some salt. So I will be adding my butter. I'm going to be putting in my chicken. I forgot to mention my garlic. I'm just gonna add medium-sized cloves of garlic. Pot to a bigger pot. I'm going to add in my heavy cream and a little water. My mayonnaise. My apple cider vinegar. So I've been cooking it for some time. I have to make sure the chicken is cooked. Then I will add the mixed vegetable, my cheese, and we are good to go. Okay, I'll just cook it for a few minutes, maybe like 5 more minutes, because I don't want the pepper to overcook, and then it's ready. You can omit the if you're dairy free, you can omit the cheese, and the heavy whipping cream and replace it with coconut milk. Okay, and then you can thicken it with zeytin gum or guar gum, or just use less milk. That looks so good. So good. So good.